welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Louise. I'm Louise, your independent pampered chef consultant. Do you like to bake? Or are you like me and you just like to eat the baked goods? On today's episode, I want to show you some of our beautiful bakeware products. Our bakeware comes in this beautiful blue color. It will go gorgeous in just about any kitchen. It's an enamel coating and the inside has a non-stick coating. You will need to use a little bit of oil in your cookware to prevent any sticking at all. And you're gonna wanna hand wash with warm soapy water and a soft sponge and then dry them right away. Now, over time, they will naturally darken, but don't worry, that will not affect its performance at all. So let's get started with all the different pans. This is our donut pan. So you can use any donut mix. We actually carry a donut mix. I've used a cake mix in here and you'll get the perfect little donut shapes. We also carry a donut hole pan. Super cute for the kiddos. Next up is our fluted pan. Now I love this pan for the holidays because it makes great gifts, and you can also turn these into cute little pumpkins over Halloween and Thanksgiving. So this is the mini fluted pan. One box of cake mix will fill this entire pan. We also carry a regular size fluted cake pan. Again, I love this. One box of cake mix fits perfectly in here. Now for a little fun, what about waffle sticks? So this is our waffle stick pan. And what I've done in here besides just doing waffle sticks is cornbread sticks. I've used cookie dough. You can use just about anything in here. It's a super fun pan. Your kids will love it. Next up is our mini loaf pan. Now, I like this pan as well for the holidays or gift giving because it's just a perfect size little loaf. Little banana breads, little blueberry muffins, you name it, you can put it in here. Again, one box of cake mix will fill this sucker up. Super cute, right? All right, now let's talk about our numbers and letters cake pan. I love this. In fact, I just recently made a video featuring this product, so I will be sure to put that in the description. But if you have little ones in your family, you will definitely want to get a numbers and letters cake pan because you can turn any cake into a letter or a number and decorate it so that it is just adorable. Now, some of our newest pans that I'm super excited about is this is a basic 9x14 cake pan with the lid. So I use this to make brownies or a sheet cake, of course, since I live in Texas. And I love the fact that it does come with the lid so that I can cover it and keep my baked goods nice and fresh. Up next is another one of our new pans. It's called the Secret Center cake pan. I also have a video that I recently made on this pan, which I'll also put down in the description. But what I like about this is you get two of the cake pans. This right here, when you pour your batter in here, this will create the center. And on this one, you can, this comes out if you wanted everybody to get a secret center. So I'll put the description or the link to this pan in the description so that you can see more about it. But again, the really cute Tiffany blue. Now, the last pan that I want to show you is our old brownie pan. And if you don't have a brownie pan, you need to get one. So this one does not come in the blue. This came out prior to the pretty blue enamel coating. But it is such a great brownie pan. And we also carry a brownie bite pan. So this I use not only for brownies, I use this for making sliders, and then the Hawaiian roll is the perfect size roll for this. I also make little individual lasagnas or little pies. This pan is so versatile. Egg bites, you name it, you can make it in this pan. All right, you guys, so I just wanted to share with you our beautiful bakeware, and I hope that you saw something that you need in your kitchen. I will put my website link in the description as well. Now, you know the drill. Be sure to like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you'll be notified of all my upcoming videos. Happy cooking, you guys.